Good morning. It's my first presentation in English, and let's do it. First, I want to thank the GS1 for the invitation to participate in this conference and the opportunity to publicize the CHLN project on the encoding quality of purchasing medical device. My presentation is divided into 5 topics: framework, description of logistics, project methodology, conclusions, and next steps. In this first slide provides the framework of the project for CHLN, the need to analyze and evaluate the codification of existing device in the warehouse. GS1, the proposal to review the existing GS1 coding of select devices. The ambition of the partners in optimizing the information and data processing. The center set medium and long terms, which highlight the option of the global language in order to reduce costs, stocks, time, and the haste, and to increase the traceability of device, greater synchronization of the supply chain. Short-term goals. Analyze the use GS1 standards in the labeling of medical devices, is as the relevance of the GS1 coding recommended to our suppliers. Description of logistics. Within the framework of the project, we present below a very briefing description of CHLN and logistics. The CHLN consists of 2 hospitals. It's the largest Portuguese hospital. It's a university hospital, highly skilled hospital, all medical service. This slide presents same indicators of the hospital 2014, under 30,000 surgeries, owner 700,000 consultations, 1,183 beds, 43,130 on outpatients, 6,312 employees, and 400 million budget year. These numbers show the size of this center. Center logistic key indicators. 38 employees, 2 hospitals, 1 central warehouse, 280 supply locations, 2,200 stock keep units, 78 million unit handled 2013. 250 SKU approved daily. It's a certificate service since May 2011. It was the first logistics certified in Portugal. This slide shows the logistic path made today. The left on the slide shows how products were stored until 2006. The right photos identify the path made from 2006 and create a new warehouse new distribution channel, introduction hardware and software, and create a new replacement method. Currently, we also manage consignment devices and use strategic vendor managed inventory to items with a high turnover. Since 2006, the hospital has taken a logic of consultation. The service that consume reading barcodes, the warehouse receives the information and then does the picking of materials and then delivers the goods to destination service. Project methodology. We have made a brief summary of the logistics service. I will now describe the design and methodology followed. The project was divided into 5 phases. Phase number 1, information checking. Phase number 2, analysis and data processing. Phase number 3, presentation and results validation. Phase number 4, approach to suppliers. And phase number 5, implementation of recommendation. Phase number 1, information checking, select sample, 21 suppliers, 48 boxes transport, 40 consumer units, 96 barcodes. This choice was made because it was A, turnover items with high impact on warehouse operations. The figure shows the model form where the data collected by supplier were recorded. Phase number 2, analysis and data processing. The data were structured by categorizing errors encoded in coding through a sample symbology. Green symbol coding without errors. Yellow symbol coding with mirror errors, and red symbol coding with errors. Phase number 3, presentation and results validation. Example, we analyzed the 48 logistic units, of which 9 had no barcode, 60 had barcodes, found receivables products with barcodes. A total of 96 analyzed barcodes. The following barcode types were found: GS1 128, GS1 data matrix, EAN 13, and code 39. Main results, 72% of the analyzed units are coded, 81% of products are coding GS1, and 20% of analyzed codes were correct. Phase number 4 and number 5. Phase 4 and 5 included the approach made to suppliers, mainly through the design explanation and the presentation of results. As you can see, there are large companies use coding as not according to GS1 standards. Example, 3M and Johnson & Johnson, Monolith, Medtronic, same example, not use the coding to GS1 standards. At the same time, some recommendations were made and support was provided for the correction of errors detected. Conclusions. The sample demonstrated that 81% of the analyzed barcodes were GS1, so it was understood which shouldn't recommended GS1 coding or suppliers. Other conclusions, global standard, it can cut costs, but also increase the quality of healthcare. In the future, we can get great benefits to the supply chain and for patients. Benefit supply chain, reduction of inventory labels, reduction of obsolete stocks, example, benefits to user, traceability, more safety, recall process easier, combat counterfeiting, and reduction of medical errors. Next steps. Send letters of recommendation for the use of the GS1 system to our suppliers. Continue to monitor the pilot project suppliers. Do a second project. Publicize the project and publicize the project. We believe that by completing all these steps, we will be able to make an automatic capture of the key information for our operations, batch, serial number, patient, other information. Thank you.